Hi, I'm Brian Tashima, author of the Joe Suzuki series, formerly known as the Spectraland Saga. Now, for those of you who may not know, the Joe Suzuki series is a coming-of-age story about a teenage boy with Asperger's syndrome who travels to a world where music is magic and autism is a superpower. The first two volumes of the series, Secret of the Songshell and Mystery of the Moonfire, are currently available on Amazon, and the third volume, Legend of the Loudstone, is set to be released on April 12, 2017. This is my son Torin.
Hello.
Torin was the original inspiration behind this series, and to celebrate the launch of the third volume, he and I are starting up a virtual community called the Wavemaker Order, named after the group of music magicians in the book series who use their powers to help people and perform good deeds. Now, this community will be more than just a fan club for the books. It'll be a force for positive cultural change. Our goal will be to make the world a better place, not only for people on the autism spectrum, but for people of all abilities. And if you join us, we'll let you know exactly how we're going to do just that. Joining the Wavemaker Order is free and easy. All you have to do is go to our website at joelsuzuki.com and sign up. As a bonus for joining, you'll gain access to the Wavemaker Archives, a members-only page on our website that will contain all sorts of cool exclusive content, like deleted scenes, custom artwork, and more. You'll also receive regular emails from us that will contain updates on our mission's progress, as well as personal messages from me that will reveal information not found in any public forum. So join us today. Torin and I look forward to working with all of you on this very worthy and epic quest. Thank you.